Is it true that puppets will lead the world?
Is it true that puppet will lead the world? Of course not, Tone. Human beings still lead the world, not a puppet. Where did you get that news?
Oh, I read that in an article.
Oh, that's fake news.
Fake news? False information?
Yeah, fake news, false information.
What's the difference?
Well, fake news is all about political, while false information is related to economics, health, and news stories created to deceive readers.
Oh, that's
Yeah, there are different type of false information, fake news. That one that you have said a while ago, puppet will lead the world, is another form of parody.
parody.
Yeah, parody, because it's not true, for entertainment purposes only.
Oh, yeah. That's not true.
Yeah, that's not true. And another form is clickbait.
Oh, I know that. Clickbait. You click that and then you lead to porn site.
You will click that and you will lead to porn site. That's not a good example. Yeah, something like that. You will click that and then you will be lead to the site. Yeah, but yeah, other side. That's not a good example. Okay? So another form is propaganda.
Propaganda.
Yes, propaganda. They release news to cover up something or the real big issue. That's a propaganda. They have hidden intention why they are releasing that news.
Oh, that's propaganda.
Yeah. And another type is sloppy journalism.
Sloppy journalism.
Yeah, sloppy journalism. This is unreliable information without checking the facts. One good example of this is recently that President Duterte applied for asylum, but according to Chinese ministry, he did not apply.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's fake news.
Yeah, that's fake news. You know, people easily believe that because they think that's reliable source.
Oh, yeah. How to combat fake news?
Yeah, there are so many ways, but you should be vigilant nowadays to believe if this reliable source or not. And we have misleading heading.
Misleading heading.
Yeah, the heading or the headline news is not congruent or related to the content itself. Maybe the writer wanted to just get attention, to get more readers, but it is not related to the content itself.
Oh, there's still fake news.
Yeah, fake news. Another form is biased news.
Oh, I also heard about that.
Biased news. Yeah, biased news. Well, you just only get the one side, but the other side, you don't consider it because it is for your own sake, for your own favor. Good.
Oh, still, that's not a good source of information.
Yeah, that's not good source of information. And we have imposter content.
Imposter content. Yeah, it's not reliable.
Yeah, it's not reliable. It's look legitimate, but actually it's not.
Oh, a lot of nowadays, easily to do that.
Yeah, it's easily to manipulate that because of the internet technology right now. So we have to be careful what to believe in. And lastly, manipulated content.
Manipulated content like pictures, photos, and videos.
Yeah, pictures, photos, videos. One example of this is the history that they're raising their hand. They thought that it's like for the votes for a certain politician, but actually they're raising their hand because they want the sack of rice.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah, that's too bad. Yeah.
How to spot a fake news?
How to spot a fake news? Well, you have to know the source. If the source is reliable, well, it's legitimate. If not, you don't have to believe that's fake news. And of course, you have to look who is sharing the news. If this person is a reliable source or not. And of course, we should go beyond the news. So fight for fake news.
Fight for fake news.